Hey everyone, I just wanted to come on here and give you guys a quick tip that I use. You could call it a Feng Shui tip if you want. It's basically cleaning and decluttering. I am waiting for a client who's running late. I need to call him, but I'm going to give him 5 more minutes before I call him. But having the pup in my car all the time means that my car is always filthy. So instead of just sitting here scrolling, I keep a rag and a mix of water and vinegar in my glove box, and I'm just cleaning down the dashboard at the moment. I might do the doors as well, and if I still have time I need to do the passenger window on the passenger side of the windscreen because that's where he always rubs his nose. There's so much shit in here, and there is so much I need to vacuum out because we're going, I'm taking some friends out on Sunday. I'm doing the driving, so I want the car to be semi-decent. But yeah, if I could, I would have some sort of mini vacuum in here as well. We have actually, maybe I should keep it in the car. We've got an old Dyson at the yard, but because we don't use the yard as an office anymore, I could put that in the car, because what Tom has actually done with it is he's taken the base out, and because the battery had died in it, and rather than sending it to Dyson for a new battery, he got an idea off Facebook, just randomly watching it one time, where you can get a base for the vacuum cleaner and you can put in Makita or Milwaukee battery packs in there. So we use Makita and it works, and it's awesome because, you know, we've got about 10 batteries between all the Makita stuff we have, so you can just swap and swap and swap and vacuum to your heart content and not have to pause and wait the 2 hours for the vacuum to recharge. So it might not be a silly idea for me to go into the office and put that in the car. I have no battery pack over here though, so I can't vacuum, but I'm going to give the guy another couple of minutes and clean my dash, and hopefully he'll be here by then and I can move on, because it's my first day off in about a week that I haven't been working on jobs with Tom, because that's kind of the direction we're taking at the moment. We're still in the crux of trying to figure absolutely everything out, but I said I'd do this job with him, and it was really good. It was really good to get more experience operating, because I haven't done much with our big 14-ton, so that was awesome. And to do some labouring. My body is exhausted because I was carting wheelbarrows of concrete, and I was mixing concrete. My hands, don't know if you can see that, are an absolute mess, but I'm sure castor oil will fix them. Castor oil and some scrubs, but they're just really rough for mixing the concrete, because concrete can be quite drying. But it was so good. It was so good to be grounded and present and just worrying about the next block or the next batch of concrete, and not worrying about, you know, invoicing and money and insurance and emails and all that, because there was like no reception down there as well where we were working, which was nice. It was nice because like my brain wasn't going, but you should check your email, because I couldn't check my email. So yeah, sometimes I wonder, do I want to go down this path of Feng Shui, which I love. I absolutely love it, and I do feel that I'm meant to go down it, but then I go and I do jobs like that with him and I'm like, am I better off just simplifying my life, or would I get bored of this in 3 months' time because it's not challenging enough for my brain? Or maybe it's a balance of the two to balance me out a bit. I don't know, but I'm gone off the fucking radar again when it was supposed to be a quick tip. So I'm going to go back to, well, it's nearly 5 minutes now, so I'm going to call your man and then I'm going to go back to cleaning my car while I wait for him. So yeah, that's my quick tip of the day, that how can you make the most of your time in outside the box ways when you're stuck somewhere, you know? And yeah, sometimes it's good to take a moment, but yeah, how can you if you're stuck somewhere and you could be scrolling your phone, how can you do something else? Because I could have very easily read my book that's on my Libby app, but if I start reading that, I'll get nothing else done today because all I want to do is read my book. So yeah, this was my compromise, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Cheers.